Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your payment method was declined. Please click billing info and update your payment information. So guys, when you want to purchase anything on your iPhone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to go back. And guys, after this you need to open your settings, and guys, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, after this you need to open your Apple ID on your iPhone. And guys, after this simply you need to click on payment and shipping. And guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, maybe it take long time on your iPhone, so guys, wait for a few seconds. After this you can find this type of interface. So guys, simply you need to write here your password of your Apple ID. And guys, after putting your password, simply you need to click on sign in. And guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, you need to wait for new page opening. So guys, when new page open, then I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see you will find this type of interface. So guys, if you have added any payment method here, then guys, simply you need to delete all the payment methods that you have added on your Apple ID. And guys, after removing your payment method, then guys, you need to go back. And guys, simply you need to click on media and purchases, and guys, you need to click on view account. And guys, after clicking on it, you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, here you can see now page is on loading. So guys, when new page open, then I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, here you need to click on country and region. So guys, for example, I am selecting this one, United States. And guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds, click on agree. And guys, after this you will find this type of interface. So guys, here you need to select your right here your card number and expiry date and CVV. And guys, after adding your payment method, then guys, simply you need to write here your street address, city and state, zip code and phone number as well. And guys, after this you need to save your information. And guys, after adding your new payment method, then guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then guys, you need to contact with your bank in which you have opened your account. So guys, you need to tell them your problem, that your card decline on any purchasing on iPhone. And guys, maybe bank will on your online transaction on your card. And guys, after owning your transaction, then guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.